So let's talk a little bit about the object-oriented playlist, which is assignment 14. And what I do want you to do here in this playlist assignment is use some of these principles, the getters and the setters. So if you look at the assignment itself on Canvas, it's got probably one of the more detailed descriptions, and it kind of walks you through everything that this program should have. So we're going to create a class named Song that has the following data. It should have an initialization method that accepts arguments for title, year, and rating. It should have the methods for updating the rating and printing the info for the song. And then we're going to create an array that stores, or a list that stores, the song objects. We'll create functions, okay, general functions that are available to the program for adding, removing songs. And here's the basic menu structure for it. So that's it. And then the bonus challenge is to try and use Pickle to save and load your data to a file.